Hello students. So today we are going to discuss about the function, the return values and the types. So after completion of this lecture students, we will be discussing uh, what is a function, what is the syntax of that, and what is the purpose of this particular function. So function, it basically takes some arguments, or sometimes it is optional. Function help us to divide the program into small modules, and then each module can be again executed as part of the program, so that each module can be kept in a one particular frame, which is called as a function here. And the function can be divided into or it can be declared in four different types. One is function with no argument and no return type. Return type is same thing as we have used in main. Similarly, we can use return type in the submodules. Then second one, function with no argument and has some return statement. Third one, it takes arguments but no return. And fourth one is it takes both argument and return statements. So you can see here, this is a sample function. So how do we declare the function? Within the main, we have to write the function declaration. This is the function declaration. Declaration of the function should always be done within the main. And what are the statements that we need to keep in the function that is to be declared outside the main? So this is called as function definition. Definition indicates that the statements which are related to that particular function. So we just open the function over here with the flower braces, and there is no semicolon over here because this is a function definition. And within the function we can do some kind of arithmetic operations, or some simple printf statement can be used. So this is function definition is closed and function declaration is given in the main, and we close the main. So here if you use some elements within this function, those are called as arguments. So this is a function where there is no arguments here and there is no return statement in this function. So this belongs to the first category, no function, no return type. So this will print this particular statement. So control will start, your program will be executed from main, then control will go to my function. From here it goes to the function definition, and this statement will be printed, and this will be closed, and from here it again returns back to this particular statement after the function declaration. Okay, this is how the function will work. So we have seen the declaration of the function as part of the present lecture. So let us see a small query. A function which calls itself is called which type of these four functions? Students, just analyze this. Okay, let us see the answer, students. So this is called as a recursive function. We have seen in earlier class also. The function which calls itself is called as a recursive function. If your answer is correct, go to the next slide. Otherwise, go through the video once again. And the lecture outcome revisited, students. After completing this discussion on this particular function topic, you will be able to develop programs using function. And lecture level question. This is a sample question. Develop a program to count the number of vowels and consonants in the program. You can implement by using the functions also.